There are some places on earth that makes you pause and just breathe, where the world feels bigger and your problem feels smaller, and everything seems to move just a little slower. Banff is one of those places. Nestled in the heart of Canadian Rockies, Banff National Park isn't just a destination. It's a feeling, a rhythm, a call to the wild that we didn't even realize we missed. This trip has been on our bucket list for the past 4 years, and now that we've been there, we can say it's everything people say and then some. Over the past 3 days, we explored glacier fed lakes so blue that they don't seem real. We hiked ancient trails and walked by wildlife and wanderers. We drank coffee with views that belongs in painting, and we let Banff surprise us over and over again. It wasn't just the landscape, it was the little moments too. The fog lifting off a lake at sunrise, the crunch of fresh snow under our boots, the first time we saw grizzly in the wild, and the way we just froze in awe. The laughter around a fire, the stillness of the forest, and the way the sky felt like it stretched over forever. Banff is a place where you remember what matters, where every trail leads to something unforgettable, where nature doesn't just surround you, it moves through you. This video is our love letter to Banff, a full guide to everything we did, saw, and felt, so that when it's your turn to visit, you know exactly where to begin. The iconic glacier, Athabasca Lake, this hidden gem, the epic hikes, the place to stay, and everything in between. This is our journey through Banff National Park. See this tomorrow. Let's be park. Alright, here we are in another spectacular lookout point here in Jasper, en route to Maligne Range. In this area here, we have two ranges. We have the Colin Range and the Change Colin. So the arrow over there is pointing towards the Colin Range, which is these epic mountain range here. These are limestone, so it doesn't allow for the trees to grow and establish. And this spans, I can't even tell you a number of how long this range is. And then in front of me, we have the easternly most Maligne Range, and these are a bunch of mountain range that it's not as steep as the ranges that we've seen in other places, but Maligne Range is actually made of sandstone and shales, and with the sandstone and shales, these are all actually rounded by a glacier. So back maybe hundreds of years ago, there was a glacier that sat between these two ranges, between Colin Range and Maligne Range. There was a huge glacier, and you can see with the global warming, the glacier has melted, and this now is a frozen ice sheet, but it will actually become, in the summer, it will become a stream of water, and hopefully somewhere along the way, you'll see waterfalls. But what a epic scenery. This is so out of this world in terms of this experience. It is cool up here, but really worth the view. And where else can you see something like this? These mountain ranges wrapped around a glacier that stand here for hundreds of years. Trapped in that glacier is stories of how the planet was born and how the planet evolved, and now we're seeing that turn into a stream. It's the circle of life. And really awesome that you can get so close to it. Like, there's nothing preventing you. You can either jump into the glacier if you choose to, or just walk around, hike around you and nature along these ranges. What a crazy experience. Also, what I would say is I'm the loudest person here. There's no one here around us, so remote, but if you listen, you can hear wildlife. Like, Okay, so we have some wildlife finally here in Jasper. Those to me look like elk, they're not deer, so you can see they're bigger, they have the more muscular size. Look, they're feeding on the remaining whatever's left of Jasper. There's barely any grass. I guess they're just trying to find food. But look at that. Some wildlife finally.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Always on a high, you were always on my mind, dear Wichita. The days we were told would never grow old here in Wichita. We were down by the river all through the night, watching the
What
stars
a eaten, no?
and the city lights. Right from the start, said we never grow apart, dear Wichita.
The goat wouldn't let us pass. They're in the middle of the road, right here. We're stuck because of these hungry goats. Don't touch it. Close. Look how close we are today. Mountain goats.
Oh, it's more to this than what you see. You know this town's got the best of me. Are we sure it's the last time? Sure that this is the last time.
And just like that, our 3-day stay in Banff is over. Yet somehow it feels like a lifetime of memories are created. We came here chasing bucket list views, but we're leaving with something more. The reminder that the wonder still exists, that the wild still calls, and that every surprise is a chance to start a new story. If you felt even a fraction of what we felt, we hope this video nudged Banff on your own travel map. Because these mountains, these lakes, this silence, this peace, this wonder awaits you.